Ito yung nabili kong website na redesign gamit ang Adobe XD. Bakit ko 'to napili? Eh, I choose this website because it sell medical and X-ray equipment that can be useful for people or businesses needing these products. It seems like an online store that aims to provide many options for buyers. What makes it bad design? Ito, ang daming papalitan ng mga design. Sakit sa mata. The bad design is the websites looks unfinished and unprofessionals with messy layout and some parts will showing placeholder text like I am a product. It also lacks clear organization and trust signal, which makes it confusing and unreliable for visitor. Number three, why it need to improvement. It needs improvement so I can look more organized, professional, and trustworthy. A better design will help you it and feel comfortable buying from this site. Ayan o. Okay, mag-i-design na tayo sa Adobe XD. Ito pala yung ah, ginawa kong design. Ito, ito yung front end ko. WWD. Dami kong pinalitan. Tulad ng background. Nilagyan ko na din ng logo. Sa may about na pinalitan ko na. Ginawa kong landscape. Din sa shop, nilag nilagyan ko ng add to cart. Then, nilagay ko yung, nilagyan ko ng mga pangalan yung mga product. Nilagyan ko na din ng contact. Lamang po. Thank you for watching.